Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a magic rig in this cute little beautiful flower. I have made this using the magic ring and it's a very easy flower, very simple process. So let's begin. First of all, take your yarn. Okay. And just follow it. Just follow what I'm doing. And you put the hook below the thread, pull it and make a cross on the previous thread, correct? Okay, I'll show it again. In this manner you have to do it, cross it over and then pull through and you'll get a loop on your hook. So I'll show it to you again. Put your hook under the yarn and take it in such a manner that you form a cross over the previous, over the tail, the previous yarn that is you took. So this manner. This is the very basic manner which I have learned on my own how to make this, and this is the most comfortable way that I find to make a magic circle. Okay, magic ring or magic circle. So this way you get a loop, and I usually chain one, and that's it. Your magic ring is formed. Now to make the flower, the repeats are very easy. Chain 3, 1 double crochet on the hook, on the ring, chain 3 and slip stitch. That makes your one petal. So I'll just quickly show that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet onto the ring, and chain 3 and slip stitch onto the ring. Easy. You can make 5 petals, 6 petals. I'm going to make 5 petals. So as you can see, I've made 5 petals over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll do the similar thing on this one. I'm done making the first petal, so I'll make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, double crochet on the ring, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, double crochet on the ring, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. So you see, as I'm pulling this, it's getting tight. So we'll do the pulling part at the end. So let's make 2 more petals. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain, slip stitch. That's the 4th petal, and then for the last one, last repeat I'm doing 1, 2, 3, double crochet onto the ring for the magic circle, chain 3, 2, 3, slip stitch onto the yarn, sorry, onto the ring, and that's it. Chain 1 and pull a loop. So this is how it's looking right now. And as soon as you pull the loose end, and now pull the loose end nice and tight, it will close the circle. Isn't it magic? So the name, magic circle. Pull it tight. Now we'll cut the yarn. As you have pulled a loop already, you can cut the yarn from here and pull through. nice and tight. And yeah, here's your little cute little flower. You can use these flowers in a number of places, like to put small, like small little flowers on your daughter's dress or your dress, or decorated. You put a pearl here and look very pretty. Thank you. Hope you like the video.